So we're going to show you how to use a lumbar support in your car or even your chair at work. So this is what we have here in our office. It's the Core Products bucket seat sit back rest. They have different versions of this, so just ask us if you're one of our patients. When you use this in a car, the common problem I see with this is that people just simply sit it down in their car seat and then, or their chair at work, and then they sit like this. This is not where you need that lumbar support to be. You want to lift it so the bottom of it should be at about your hip height, or well, at least where my pant line is, my pant top is right here, so that it's supporting your upper lumbar area. So if you can see with my pink shirt against it where the placement is, it's right here. If I put it down too low, it still isn't really, it's actually pushing my head forward if I'm using that full support. So you want to move it up here. In your chair at work, this actually has some straps inside of it, so you can actually attach it and keep it attached that way. But like I said, with most car seats, even if they have an internal lumbar support, the problem is that the headrest tends to push you more forward. This builds the seat out enough that you're not actually going to be in line with that headrest, and that's really what the challenge is with most car seats.